Hi friends, welcome to my channel. So friends, today in this video I'm going to share a beautiful wallpaper designs. So there you can see that the beautiful designs are available. Even I'm going to share their advantages and what are the points to remember before purchasing the wallpaper and what are the installation process. A beautiful wallpaper has a beautiful advantages like aesthetic appeal because wallpaper adds a vibrant colors, patterns and textures instantly which enhance the visual appeal of any your room. Also they are available in countless designs from minimalist to bold. Wallpapers suit various interior styles like modern, simple home or minimalist designs. So, well thoughtfully chosen wallpapers can create a calming, energizing, or cozy atmosphere, influencing the room ambience. It also covers the imperfections because wallpapers can hide the wall flaws like cracks or uneven surface, providing a smooth, polished look. Also, it is a cost effective. So, compared to expensive paint jobs or wall treatments, wallpaper offer an affordable way to transform a space. So it totally depends upon our choice if you want to go with the painting or if I want to go with the wallpaper. Both options are the best option for decorating the walls. Also wallpaper can easy to install and replace. So many modern wallpapers are easy to apply and remove, so making them an ideal for if you stay in a rent home. Also, high quality of wallpapers are resistant to wear, fading and stains, so which will ensure for long lasting the beauty. Also, you can customize the wallpaper which will allow for unique designs such as personal photos or patterns, geometric designs. Also, many wallpapers are come from sustainable materials which are appealing to environmentally consciousness. So friends, before purchasing the wallpaper, you should remember some important points. So first one is the room size and lighting. So small rooms benefit from light color or suitable patterns to avoid the feeling cramp. And always consider the natural and artificial lighting as it affects how colors and patterns appear. Second, you have to check the material quality. So friends, choose the durable materials like vinyl for high traffic areas or moisture prone space. Non-woven wallpapers are breathable and easy to install. Another point to remember is the design and style. So ensure the wallpaper complements your existing furniture, flooring and the house interior design style. So always test the samples in one room to see how they pair with other elements. And always check the wall conditions. So check walls for smoothness and cleanliness. Uneven or damaged walls may require sanding or priming for proper adhesion. Avoid applying wallpaper on damp or mold prone walls without addressing underlying the issues. And always check the quantity and measurement. So measure wall dimensions accurately according for doors, windows and corners. And for installation process, if you know to apply, you can follow the steps. The tools and material which are needed for installing is the first you require is the wallpaper rolls with extra for pattern matching. Second, wallpaper adhesive. Third is the measuring tape. And fourth is the utility scissors. Another one is wallpaper brush, seam rollers, pencil, sponge and clean water. You require the ladder. And another is the primer if it is required. Another thing is the sandpaper for wall preparation. So always first prepare the walls, cleanse the surface, smooth imperfections And prime the walls. Apply a wallpaper primer or sizing solutions to improve the adhesions. Remove the obstacles. Take off the switch plates, outlet covers, and any wall fixtures. Second, measure and plan. So measure the wall. Another point is mark a straight line. So use a level and pencil to draw vertical guidelines on the wall for the first strip. After that, cut the wallpaper, roll out the wallpaper and measure strips, adding 2 to 4 inches extra at the top and bottom for the adjustments. Fourth is apply adhesive if it is not pre-pasted. So mix the paste, follow the adhesive manufacturing instructions to prepare the paste. Apply the paste, use a roller or brush to apply an uneven layer of paste to the back of wallpaper strips. And fold the paste side together and let it rest for 5 to 10 minutes to activate the adhesive. So hang the first strip, align the first strip with the vertical guidelines. Gentle press the strip onto the wall, smoothing from center outward to avoid the bubbles or wrinkles. Always use a wallpaper smoother or brush. Hang the subsequent strips, align the next strip with the edge of the previous one, matching patterns precisely. Another point is handle the corners and obstacles. So eighth one is a clean and finish. So wipe off the excess adhesive with a damp sponge immediately to avoid the staining. Double check the seams and smooth any lifted edges. And the last one is inspect and cue. So check for always check the bubbles, misaligned patterns or loose seams because small bubbles often disappear as the adhesive dries. Avoid the high humidity or extreme temperature change during drying to prevent the peeling. So friends, these are the points to remember before installing the wallpaper design. These are the process of installing.